These are the people who are very successful in life. Only because of consistency. If you truly want to become successful in life, it may be in studies, business, fitness, career, YouTube, writing, or any dream, remember this line. Success is not about doing big things once. Success is about doing small things every single day. Consistency means showing up again and again, even when you don't feel like it. Talent may give you a start, but consistency takes you to the finish line. Consistency does not mean working for many hours every day. Consistency means doing a little every day, moving forward step by step. Consistent effort and hard work of a woman and a journey of street vendor till 5-star hotel only because of consistency. Improving slowly and steadily. Even 1% improvement every day makes you 50 times better in 1 year. That is the power of small daily steps. Think about it. Read 2 pages daily, you finish books. Do 20 push-ups daily, you become strong. Write 1 paragraph daily, you become a writer. These small habits create big results. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India, also came from a very simple background. He did not have money or big facilities. But he had one strong quality: consistency in learning and hard work. He used to say, "Small daily efforts lead to big achievements." He lived this philosophy. That is why he became one of the greatest scientists and leaders of India. Most people fail not because they are weak, but because they stop too early. They expect quick results. When they do not see progress in a few days, they give up. Start small. Don't begin with big goals like, "I will study 4 hours daily." Not, "I will study 16 to 20 hours day before the exam." This leads you only give the passing marks or promote to next class. But 4 hours daily leads to success, confidence and giving to deep and depth knowledge of everything. "I will exercise 2 hours every day." Not, "Exercise 2 to 4 hours a day, taking only liquid diets and next day same 3 heavy meals, no exercise and said why I am not losing my weight." Start small. Study 30 minutes. Exercise 10 to 15 minutes. Write 5 to 10 lines daily. Small habits are easier to continue. Once you build the habit, you can increase the time. Step 2. Fix a time. Choose one time for your habit and follow it daily. For example, morning reading, evening workout, night revision. When you do a task at the same time daily, your mind builds a routine. Routine builds consistency. Step 3. Remove distractions. When it's time to work, keep your phone away. Turn off notifications. Once you start, you will naturally continue for longer. Example, YouTubers and writers. Successful YouTubers and writers did not grow in one day. They posted 1 script a day, 1 page a day, 1 video a week, every single week. Months and years. Slow growth. Small steps. Daily practice. That is how they became successful. Consistency always wins. Success comes to those who work daily, not to those who work occasionally. If you want to become successful in life, remember 3 things: effort, patience, consistency. Great things take time. Your dreams will come true, not instantly, but definitely, if you stay consistent.